Hey everyone, today let's dive into a fascinating update from the world of technology and manufacturing as we explore the revolutionary strides being made in 2024. This year at Semicon C 2024, a company named Alpha X stole the spotlight. They showcased their latest manufacturing solutions powered by none other than artificial intelligence. Imagine this, machines that not only do the work, but also think and optimize processes to enhance efficiency and reduce waste. Alpha X's display at Semicon C is not just a glimpse into the future of manufacturing, it's a testament to how AI is becoming an integral part of the industry, transforming everything from production lines to product development. But that's not all. Over in Indonesia, there's another groundbreaking movement underway with the electric vehicle, EV, industry. Companies like Indomobil are teaming up with electric car producers to embrace green manufacturing. This initiative is part of Indonesia's ambitious plan to cut carbon emissions by 29% by 2030. With a whopping $273 billion invested globally into the EV sector in 2021, the focus on sustainable low-emission vehicles is clearer than ever. And let's talk about Aeon. This company isn't just integrating AI into their operations, they're weaving sustainability into every aspect of their manufacturing process. From using advanced technologies to minimize environmental impact to enhancing energy efficiency, Aeon is setting a new standard for what it means to be a tech-forward, environmentally conscious manufacturer. These advancements are not just good for the planet and the economy, they're great for us as consumers and tech enthusiasts. We're looking at a future where technology not only meets our needs, but does so responsibly and sustainably. So whether you're an investor, a policymaker, or just someone who loves technology, these developments are crucial. They're shaping a world where technology and sustainability go hand in hand, paving the way for a smarter, greener future. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. See you in the next video.